Good morning, everybody. So, let's call the registered first. Who is present? Today, we are going to speak about the USA. Will you write down the topic at our today's lesson at first? What would you like to see in the USA? There are a lot of reasons for going to the USA. Let's call some of them. You may start like this. I'd like to go to the USA to visit new places, but I would not go there right now because of coronavirus. So try to make your own sentences using the information from the slide or your own ideas. Образуйте предложения, используя информацию со слайда или свои собственные идеи. You can write them down. We can find a lot of tourist attractions in this country. All of them can be divided into 3 groups. They are natural attractions, man-made attractions, and event attractions. Today, we are going to watch a video about the USA attractions. Let's get to know some new information, some new vocabulary. Be attentive, listen to me and repeat after me. Вся эта информация, вся эта лексика пригодится вам при прослушивании следующего и просмотре следующего видео. Destination, destination, boast, boast. Diverse countries, diverse countries. Natural wonders, natural wonders. The sunny beaches of California. French Quarter, French Quarter. Incredible architecture abounds, incredible architecture abounds. The undeniable hub of nightlife, the undeniable hub of nightlife. Public tour, public tour. US ambassador, US ambassador. Must be requested, must be requested. Athabascan language, Athabascan language. Wilderness area, wilderness area. Caribou, caribou. Moose, moose. Gambling maker, gambling maker. In the midst, in the midst. Lavish care, lavish care. Evoke, evoke. Volcano, volcano. Sloping peaks of stratovolcanoes, sloping peaks of stratovolcanoes. Eruption, eruption. Is still ongoing, is still ongoing. Spectacular, spectacular. The Golden Gate Bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge. Suspension bridge, suspension bridge. Straight, straight. Frequently, frequently. Shrouds the bridge, shrouds the bridge. Rugged beauty, rugged beauty. Molten mantle rock rises, molten mantle rock rises. Subsequently, subsequently. Bison, bison. Skyscrapers, skyscrapers. Stagger round a museum, stagger round a museum. Attains a depth. Overwhelming size, overwhelming size. Vistas, vistas. Intricate and careful landscape, intricate and careful landscape. Unmatched, unmatched. So, all of this information, all of this vocabulary you need during the following listening and watching the video. You may take a photo of this vocabulary . Now, let's speak about the questions. You have to find answers to the following questions. После просмотра видео вам нужно будет ответить на следующие вопросы. Question number 1. What street is the undeniable hub of nightlife in French Quarter? Какая улица считается бесспорным центром ночной жизни во французском квартале? Question number 2. When must be requested a public tour to the White House in Washington, D.C.? Когда должна быть запрошена экскурсия в Белый дом в столице Вашингтон? Question number 3. Name the highest mountain in North America. Назовите самую высокую гору в Северной Америке. Question number 4. What can be found throughout Las Vegas? Что можно найти по всему Лас-Вегасу? Question number 5. When has taken place the current eruption, which is still ongoing? Когда состоялось извержение вулкана, которое до сих пор действует? Question number 6. Which territories is the Niagara Falls situated between? Между какими территориями расположен водопад, Ниагарский водопад? Question number 7. When was the Golden Gate Bridge completed? Когда был завершен мост Золотые врата? Question number 8. What animals can be found within Yellowstone National Park? Каких животных можно найти в национальном парке Yellowstone? Question number 9. Number 9. What do people most often think about when they picture New York City? О чем люди часто думают, когда представляют себе Нью-Йорк? And the last question. What river is the Grand Canyon carved by? Какая река лежит в основании Гранд Каньона? So I'll give you some time for thinking over. You can take a photo of these questions. And after watching the video, you have to answer them.
As one of the largest and most diverse countries in the world, the United States boasts an amazing amount of travel destinations ranging from the skyscrapers of New York and Chicago, the natural wonders of Yellowstone and Alaska, to the sunny beaches of California and Florida. Here's a look at the top tourist attractions in the USA. Number 10. French Quarter. New Orleans, Louisiana is made up of several unique districts, but none is so famous as the French Quarter. Also known as the Vieux Carré, the area truly explores the rich French colonial influences of the city of New Orleans. Incredible architecture abounds, with the St. Louis Cathedral being the main attraction. The French Quarter boasts the Moonwalk, a paved walkway next to the Mississippi River, as well as Bourbon Street, the undeniable hub of nightlife, drinking, and entertainment in the city. Number 9. White House. The White House in Washington, D.C. is the official residence and office of the President of the United States. It was built between 1792 and 1800 and first used by President John Adams. If you're lucky enough to get inside on a public tour, you'll see several rooms in the main residence. Tours are available only for groups of 10 or more and must be requested up to 6 months in advance through your member of Congress or your country's U.S. ambassador. Number 8. Denali National Park. The Denali National Park and Preserve is located in interior Alaska and contains Mount McKinley, the highest mountain in North America. The word Denali means the high one in the native Athabaskan language and refers to Mount McKinley. In addition, the park protects an incredible wilderness area that contains grizzly bears, caribou, moose, wolves, and numerous other creatures. Number 7. Las Vegas Strip. The gambling mecca of the world, Las Vegas is situated in the midst of the southern Nevada desert landscape. Casinos can be found throughout Las Vegas, but the Strip, a stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard South, contains most of them. It features giant mega casino hotels, decorated with lavish care and attention to detail to create a fantasy-like atmosphere. The casinos often have names and themes that evoke romance, mystery, and faraway destination. Number 6. Kilauea. Kilauea is the most recent of a series of volcanoes that have created the Hawaiian archipelago. It is a very low, flat shield volcano, vastly different in profile from the high, sharply sloping peaks of stratovolcanoes. Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes on the Earth, and for that reason, an invaluable resource for volcanologists. 33 eruptions have taken place since 1952, not including the current eruption, which started on January 3, 1983, and is still ongoing. Number 5. Niagara Falls. Situated between the state of New York and the province of Ontario, Niagara Falls is one of the most spectacular natural wonders on the North American continent. Niagara Falls is actually 3 different falls: the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. Horseshoe Falls is located on the Canadian side, while the others are located in New York. With more than 14 million visitors each year, it is one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world. Number 4. Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is a suspension bridge spanning the Golden Gate, the strait between San Francisco and Marin County to the north. The bridge took 4 years to build and was completed in 1937. The Golden Gate Bridge was the longest suspension bridge span in the world when it was completed and has become an internationally recognized symbol of California. The famous red-orange color of the bridge was specifically chosen to make the bridge more easily visible through the thick fog that frequently shrouds the bridge. Number 3. Yellowstone. Yellowstone National Park was the world's first national park, set aside in 1872 to preserve the vast number of geysers, hot springs, and other thermal areas, as well as to protect the incredible wildlife and rugged beauty of the area. Yellowstone lies on top of a gigantic hotspot where light, hot, molten mantle rock rises towards the surface. Subsequently, the park contains half of all the world's known geothermal features, with more than 10,000 examples of geysers and hot springs. In addition, grizzly bears, bison, and wolves can also be found within the park borders. Number 2. Manhattan. Manhattan is one of New York's 5 boroughs and is what people most often think of when they picture New York City. Its familiar skyline and sights have been featured 1,000 times on screen. Here you can walk in the shadow of the skyscrapers, picture the Statue of Liberty, see a Broadway show, climb the Empire State Building, stroll Central Park, window shop on Fifth Avenue, or stagger around a museum. Number 1. Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is located in northern Arizona and is one of the great tourist attractions in the United States. Carved over several million years by the Colorado River, the canyon attains a depth of over 1 mile and length of 277 miles. The Grand Canyon is not the deepest or the longest canyon in the world, but the overwhelming size and its intricate and colorful landscapes offer visitors spectacular vistas that are unmatched throughout the world.
So let's return to our questions. You can answer the questions orally or in written form. It's up to you. I see your questions here in chat. You have some time for thinking over. Now you have to check yourselves. You receive 1 point for each correct answer. Check yourself, please. Don't forget about 1 point for each correct answer. So write me, please, now here in the chart, how many points do you receive? How many points? So, have you done it? Eight points, 9 points, I see your answers, thank you. 7 points, 8 points, right you are, thank you. 9 points. So check yourself. 9 points. Now I suggest you to speak about your home task. Tell me, please, do you have any questions about your homework? Ребята, вопросы по домашнему заданию, которое выкладывается на сайте Moodle, у вас есть? В настоящий момент 914-я группа получила 3 домашних задания и должна была уже выполнить 3 домашних задания и отправить на почту, указанную в письме. 915-я группа получила 1 домашнее задание на данный момент. Я вижу вопрос в чате. Выкладывали задание. Это домашнее задание, которое нам нужно делать сегодня. Ребята, задания выполняются в тот же день, в который они выкладываются на платформе Moodle. В этот же день задания выполняются, фотографируются и отправляются на почту преподавателя. На данный момент 914-я группа должна была выполнить 3 задания, 915-я группа 1 задание. Ребята, каждое задание, которое вы должны выполнить, оно датируется той датой, когда вы его должны сделать и отправить. Все ориентировано на расписание. Будьте внимательны. If you have no questions, then our lesson is over. Goodbye. See you.